Hi everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper, May the 5th, on a Tuesday, 2020. Today's is a Liberation Day. Thank you for not for watching, but for solving this last Sudoku. But before I solve this, yeah, today's Liberation Day for us. So it's it's supposed to be a happy day, but during the corona we cannot celebrate. So yeah, it's a pity. Anyway, for those people at home, puzzling is a good relaxation. So let's continue with the fifth and last puzzle of today, a tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. Find the single box, and I see here a single box, so this should be a 1. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here or there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here or there. Then we have a 3 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be here or there. We have a 4 there, that means these 4 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. We have a 4 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 5. I marked them 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here or there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 1 here, that means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 cannot be there, so the 3 should be here or there. We have a 1 here, 1 there, so no 1 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 should be here or there, but I see already a 1, so this cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I missed this duo box, the 1 and the 2, because I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1, this should be the 1, and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. Quadra box, that means these 2 boxes I cannot fill with the 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. The other 2 boxes are the 3 and the 4. The 3 and the 4. I cannot place the 4 here, otherwise I can not fill any 4 in those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 4. That means 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have here a 4, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. The other 2 are the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This could be a 4. This could be a 4. That means I cannot place a 4 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5 and this should be a 4. We have a 3 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be filled with a 3. This box cannot be filled with a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be this one. Here we have marked with 2 boxes with a 3. Now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 3. This cannot be a 1. And these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there, so 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. We have a pair, the 4 and the 2 here. Alright. Yes. And now this box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. The 2 should be one of these 3 boxes. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 should be here or there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Alright. With a 3, 1. If one of those 2 boxes is a 1, I cannot fill this box with a 1, so the 1 should be one of these 2 boxes. 1 should be here and there. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Or could it 2? The 2 boxes could it be? I need to wait, otherwise. Yeah, I need to wait. For the 2. This is a tough one, this one. I need more numbers. I need no more numbers. 4. 1. We have a pair. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes here. Sorry, the 1 and the 2 as a pair. These 2, the 3 and the 5. Alright. That means 1, 2, 3. This box should be the 4 and the 5. We have 1, 2, 3. This should be 4 and a 5. Okay. This cannot be a 1. So this should be the 1. We have also there 1. Here 1. So 1 box left. This should be the 1. The other 2 numbers, the 2, 2. Okay. Two here and 2 there. How about these? can I fill? Here cannot be a 4. 1, 2, 2 or the 5. This box should be 2 or the 5. And how about 2 or the 5? Pull. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3. So it's the 4 or the 5, this box. Wow. These two boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. And I cannot fill the 1 in this box. Yes, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in those two boxes. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. Yes. Alright, so we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. Alright. Then these two boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So we have the 4 and the 5. The 4 and the 5 as a pair. 4 and the 5. Okay. 4 and the 5. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be any more a 2, so this should be a 2. Yes. And here we have a pair 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 5 and a 4. 3 and a 5. So we have in this, for this box, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 here. Could be. And here, those two boxes cannot be any more a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. We have a 5 now, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 5. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 4, and this should be a 5. Then 1 and a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this should be a 1. This should be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left for the 1, because this one cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there, so this should be a 1. This should be a 4. This cannot be a 2 anymore. And these 3 boxes are also not cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box should be the 1 or the 5. Because we have 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So it's the 1 or the 5. Okay. 1 and 5. Okay. The 3 and the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. We have 1 box left for the 4 is this one. So we have the 2 and the 5 left. The 2 and the 5. these two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here or there. The 2, the 3 cannot be in these. No. Yes, the 3 cannot be in these 3 boxes. Cannot be in that box. We have a 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. So here we have 3 and a 5. This cannot be a 3. This should be the 3 and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be a 2 and this should be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. So this should be the 5 and this should be the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or there. I think this box should be the 1 and the 4 because we have 2, 3 and the 5. So here 1 and the 4. Wow. Not easy. Alright, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 1. This box should be a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, should be a 2. So the 3 are missing in this area. The 3 could be everywhere. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be anymore a 1. These two boxes, so we have the 1 here. So we have the 5 and the 3 left. We have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5, this should be the 3. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So this should be a 1. Then these two boxes cannot be a 2. So this box should be the 2. The 4 is left. This box cannot be a 4. This box should be the 4. And the 5 goes and there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Here we have the 1 and the 4. I cannot place the 1 here. We have a 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes and there. These two boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. This box could be a 1. The 5 cannot be, we have a 5 here, cannot be in those two boxes, so the 5 should be here. So we have the 3 and the 1 left. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Alright, I'm very pleased. Very pleased. I have solved this within 30 minutes. Do you think so? It's a great tectonic puzzle. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that subscribe icon button if you want to be notified by YouTube when there are new Sudokus coming from me. Thank you for watching. And I will see you the next time and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.